steps to make mung bean soup. 150 mung beans, 40 g brown sugar, 40 g white sugar, 2 g dried tangerine peel, 1 to 2 g ginger, 2000 ml water, a pressure cooker. Step 1. Preparation. Soak the tangerine peel. Boil mung beans with 500 ml water, turn off heat, put on lid, let sit 10 minutes. Drain and rinse the beans. Chop the soaked peel. Step 2. Cook. Add mung beans, water, ginger, and the peel to the pot. Bring to a boil. If using a pressure cooker, close the lid and pressure valve, turn to low heat and cook for 15 minutes. Step 3. Add sugar. Add 80 g of sugar and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Keep stirring. This helps the sugar melt in. Done! A sweet and tasty mung bean soup is ready. Got tips? Share in the comments.